It's possible to create financial spreadsheets in Excel to track your personal expenses and break down monthly income and expenses. Microsoft's software generates a balance sheet that tells you how much money is saved over the month, or if the spending has been excessive. Step 1. Open Excel and create a new, blank spreadsheet. Then, create a table with income, meaning the money earned during the month, and another for expenses, monthly expenses. Below each category, you must enter the expending, its respective amount, and payment date. Step 2. Now select the cells in which you added values and change the style to currency. In order to do that, on the Home tab, just click on General and select the indicated option. Step 3. Next to Total, in the cell under Expenses and Income, enter the formula equals sum, without quotes, and select every amount of each category. Afterwards, press Enter. Excel will automatically add the highlighted cells. Step 4. Under Balance Sheet, you should type equals, without quotes, and select the total revenue. Then type the minus sign and click on the total spend. Press Enter to calculate it. Step 5. After making the intended edits, double-click on Folder 1 and type the name of the month. Step 6. For new months, you can copy the finished sheet. In order to do so, right-click on the current month and go to Move or Copy. Step 7. Lastly, mark the Create a Copy option and press OK. Afterwards, just fill in the new month's expenses and income and the software will automatically calculate it.